What's up guys, I'm making a video on how to do speaker mods because a few people have been asking me how do I do my speaker mods, or how do you do speaker mods. What you're gonna have to do is you're gonna need a speaker and the roller-press vehicle that you use in the speaker mod, but make sure that the roller-press vehicle is fully taken apart and stuff so you have access to the speaker inside, and make sure that the speaker that you're using, the speaker mod, has wires leading outside the speaker, and make sure that those wires at the end are either stripped so you'll be able to see the copper, or if it has alligator clips, that'll work just fine, if not better. So what you have to do is, if you're speaker modding a Top Tune Comeback or any other roller-press vehicle with a big speaker, you'll notice two holes next to the main area of where it's soldered onto and stuff, where the positive and negative are, basically. So what you got to do with the speaker wires that you're using the speaker mod, you're gonna have to hook those wires into those holes. Once you got the speaker wires hooked up into the holes, check to see if the connection is good, and then, proceed to make your video. Okay, that's for the big speakers. Let's say that you're speaker modding something else with a smaller speaker. So with the smaller speaker, you're gonna have to take the speaker wires from the speaker that's using the speaker mod. You're gonna have to take those and curl them around the base of the wires on the smaller speaker, and make sure that they're touching the silver part, which is solder, basically. So make sure that they're making contact with the silver part, and then if you think that they are making contact, go ahead and test it. Feel free to make any type of adjustments to your liking, but there's one thing I must warn you about small speakers.
Touch my heart.